Hi, assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to learn how to write uppercase character X. Here we go. Bring your marker near to the first line, make curve here, diagonally move on third line, come back by overwriting this line on first line like this, and make curve here and move back and touch the center of this letter and come on third line like this, make curve here. Now pick up your marker. Once again I'm writing here, make curve on first line, then move your marker diagonally on third line, come back on first line, make curve here like this, and then move back and come again on third line, make curve here like this. Here is uppercase character X. Hope you have learned it. We will meet in next video. See you. Tata.